Hey Cyber Crews, welcome to Wake Up and Code channel. My name is Harsh and I'm thrilled to kick off our YouTube journey with an exciting series focused on certified ethical hacker training. In this series, we'll delve into the fascinating world of cybersecurity and ethical hacking, exploring essential concepts and practical techniques to help you become a skilled ethical hacker. So join me as we embark on this learning adventure, diving deep into the CHE syllabus. Whether you're new to cybersecurity or looking to enhance your skills, this series is designed to provide valuable insights and hands-on experience to empower you in the realm of ethical hacking. This series is not only for advanced hackers. We are starting our cybersecurity adventure which begins from childhood and continues to infinity. So, grab your cyber toolkit and get ready to explore the vast landscape of cybersecurity with us. Welcome to Wake Up and Code and let's dive in. Now, let's get started by diving deeper into the world of certified ethical hacker, specifically focusing on CAH V12. So, your first question for me will be that what we are going to study in this course? So the answer is infinite things about cybersecurity, hacking, coding and much more, so let's get started then. So first topic is, what is CAH and who conducts this exam? So, CAH stands for Certified Ethical Hacker, a certification program provided by the International Council of E-Commerce Consultants. This renowned certification validates individual skills in identifying and addressing vulnerabilities in network infrastructures, employing the same tools and techniques as malicious hackers in a lawful and legitimate manner. CAH V12, the latest version, emphasizes the latest hacking techniques, tools, and cybersecurity practices. So I guess you all are thinking like, so what, why should we take the CAH exam then? So, taking the CAH exam opens up a plethora of career opportunities in cybersecurity. Whether you are interested in penetration testing, becoming a certified security operations center analyst, auditor, incident responder, or infrastructure support specialist, CAH certification equips you with the necessary skills and knowledge to excel in these roles. Now let me tell you the job roles for CAH. CAH certification opens doors to various job roles, including Information Security Analyst, Junior Penetration Tester, Web Application Pentester, Cybersecurity Analyst, Security Engineer, Red Team Engineer, and Cyber Threat Analyst. Professionals holding CAH certification in the United States can expect a salary range of $71,000 to $120,000 on average, depending on factors such as experience, location, and specific job role, but the salary expectations are according to US citizens only. And for India, it is about 50k to 1 lakh per month on average, and same depending on factors such as experience, location, and specific job role. Now let me take you to the CAH background. So, CAH training covers a broad spectrum of cybersecurity domains, including mobile security, network infrastructure and devices, cloud computing, malware analysis, and vulnerability assessment. So that's all. And that concludes our overview of what CAH is all about, its benefits, and much more. In the next video, we'll dive into the syllabus of CAH V12. I hope you now have a clear understanding of the concepts and courses we'll be covering in this playlist. If you have any questions or doubts, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll do my best to answer as many as I can. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our channel to stay updated. I'll be contributing real scenarios and methodologies that are running in the CAH world. Stay tuned for the next video. Tab tak ke liye.